Here's how to make a GIF from a video, because it's just such a fun way to grow your personal brand. I'm going to show you right here from my computer how to take a video clip and turn that into a GIF, which, by the way, I love to do this for my new YouTube videos. I'll take like a 3-second clip from it, turn that into a GIF and put it in my email, which then entices people to click on it because they want to see more. It works really, really well. So here's how to do it. Okay, so first up is you're just going to choose like a 2 to 4 second video clip. That's a really funny facial expression. And then what I do, and you don't have to, but I like to put a play button over the video. And then that way I make this GIF clickable in my email. So it's kind of like, hey, here's part of the video, just click play and it'll take you to the video. And I made this play button in Canva and I just exported it as a transparent PNG file. Then you're going to export your video. I just export it as a small file, 720p. And next I go to easygif.com. I'll put the link to this in the description below this video. And then I click on video to GIF. Then I go ahead and choose the file to upload. Click on upload video. All right, so it uploaded. Another weird facial expression. And then you're going to scroll down where it says size. And I usually choose between 400 to 480. I'll just do 400. Click on convert to GIF. And there it is. It'll also tell you what file size your GIF is. I like to keep these under 2 megs if I'm going to put it in an email. And so this is a great size, 1.62. Then you're going to come here and click on save. And this is totally free, which is really awesome. And you know what else is awesome? My free class called 7 Hacks to Instantly Look Amazing on Video. That way you can confidently grow your business with video. To sign up, just click the link in the description below. Alrighty, if this video was helpful, I would love it if you gave it that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments if you're going to try this out. I'd love to hear from you.